Hello everyone, be welcome again to eBuy's Auto channel, and as I promised in a previous video, I'm gonna be using the AUTO FANATIC products from the wheel cleaner, the shampoo or car soap, gloss enhancer and the mega gloss for the tires, because today we are gonna do a maintenance wash over a cool car. I'm gonna show the car in a moment. So on the table I've got, as I said, all the AUTO FANATIC products I'm gonna be using today, and apart from that, for the tools, I'm gonna be using metal wires as the tire applicator, the towels and other brushes. As for the equipment, I'm cordless guy, so I'm gonna be using the Karcher cordless blower and also a cordless Karcher pressure washer. Okay, you will see that in a moment. But one last thing to mention, given that today we are gonna be using AUTO FANATIC products, also we are gonna be doing a quick method using a wash mop by Griot's Garage modified by AUTO FANATIC. Without further ado, let's start shooting this video. Let's go. Okay, so as I explained in a previous video, okay, I already reviewed all the AUTO FANATIC lineup. Now in this video, because it's a maintenance wash, I'm gonna be using only 4 of their products. I'm gonna be using the wheel cleaner 2023, the gloss enhancer, okay, when I dry the car, and I will be using also the snowstorm, okay, in this MJJC Foam Cannon S version 3.0, as well as the mega gloss for the tire dressing. One thing that you need to know, that the method that I'm gonna be using with the wheel cleaner is by using a snow foam cannon, and I found this very special foam cannon on the web, which is like a watering can, which is the perfect foam cannon for this wheel cleaner. Okay, apart from the brand, for other detailing equipment, I'm gonna with my wires like the drying towel, wash mitt, etc., some brushes, you will see that in a moment, and the equipment will be cordless by Karcher. This is a 36 volt professional Karcher blower, okay, that I use in my videos all the time. And new in this channel also, I'm presenting here the most powerful cordless pressure washer in the market, which is the Karcher HD 4/11 CBP. Yeah, it has like a quite long name, but basically it has two 36 volt batteries, okay, there you go, that gives 72 volts in total. And I have that, you see, this MTM pressure water hose with the Mosmatic gun and the Mosmatic one. Okay, now as I used to do in my previous videos, you see, instead of using buckets, I use this kind of industrial buckets on wheels, and I have this one for the washing and this for the rinsing. Now it's very handy because you can put all kind of stuffs in here, from bottles, foam cannons, everything. You will see that in a moment. And the method that I'm gonna be using is the AUTO FANATIC wash mop. I already used that in a couple of my videos, and you can wash a car under 15 minutes. One last thing is that here I've got the bucket also on wheels for the wheels, and in here I've got brushes, detail guards, anti-stuck, anti-kink for the pressure washer. You see more brushes from each detailer, another brush, and this is the tire brush. Okay, you will see that in a moment. And the surprise for this video is that the car is a Tesla Model S from 2017. Okay, and this version comes with a 21-inch turban wheels. Okay, these are very cool. You can see there the logo of Tesla, and you will see how I detail this car, or I wash it perfectly using AUTO FANATIC products. So I have everything prepared. Without further ado, let's start preparing the products. Let's go. Okay, so as you can tell, I did 2 wheels at the time. I let it well for 1-2 minutes, okay? And now, because these wheels were very dirty and also not protected, I'm gonna start brushing. Okay, we just finished with the wheel cleaner. Now it's time for the 007 Snowstorm with the MGJC foam cannon. Yes. Okay, let's go. As you can tell, how easy it is to wash a car this size with a mop. So now it's time to rinse this Tesla. Alright, so the car is clean, although you see there are some spots, tar spots there. These are gonna be taken out with the AUTO FANATIC money maker or the one single step product. Other than that, it's time to dry it. So now we use the solo sprayer to spray all the 007 gloss enhancer ceramic, and you can dry with this wire towel, or if you're in America with a Griot's PFN towel. More than enough. Alright, so one of the last steps is to use the Mega Gloss Tire Shine, okay, to dress the tire. Okay, I'm gonna use the McGuire's applicator. Now you will see the before and after, okay? You only need to put a little bit and it will shine like it was new. Alright, so after all this effort, here are the results. I mean, the car is shiny. Is it perfect? No, it is not perfect. I mean, there are tar marks over there. This car needs to be polished, etc, etc. So far, you see, with a maintenance wash, the wheels are spectacular, okay? And you see, it shines. There are no water marks whatsoever. I will be continue shooting videos about the AUTO FANATIC products, especially explaining, okay, how to use the wheel cleaner with the new method, okay, all the resolution ratios, etc, 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 how to use the snow phones for other applications, as well as the other products that didn't come out in this video. So here are the results. As you can tell, these buckets are amazing. You see how much dirt came out of these wheels. And in the meanwhile, you see, if you have any doubts, I will be answering any questions in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up. If you need more information, send me an email, info@ebisauto.com, okay? And see you guys in a future video here in eBay's Auto channel. Bye!